My name is Brad, and I've been coming here for 4 months. Yeah, well, about a year and a half before I came here, I completely tore my quadricep muscle from my knee and had to have it surgically repaired. It was a pretty big deal, and I was pretty laid up. I got physical therapy. I got competent, wonderful care, but I still didn't feel like I was quite where I wanted to be, and I had a lot of pain on walking or walking up steps. And I was going to this person who does body work who recommended you guys, and I said, well, let me try it, and it's just made a world of difference. I have lost 30 pounds in 4 months, which is a lot less stress on my knee. I've lost a lot of fat and gained a lot of muscle. And with the app that I use that you provided to me, I really am eating way better than I used to. But because of what Ming has shown me how to do, my leg is much stronger. I have no knee pain. I was thinking today about how when I would walk up the stairs to come here, how it would hurt. It doesn't hurt anymore. So it's made a huge difference, as I said. Ming is really smart. I think he knows his stuff really well. He's young and energetic, and he brings that sort of personality and that energy to my training, and it's infecting, or affecting, or effecting, all those fectings. Makes a difference for me, and it keeps me motivated and keeps me going. Oh, I should smile.
That's golden right there. I go near him, he's just tortured.